Hello friends, today in this video I'll tell you 5 reasons or mistakes which don't let you to speak in English, correctly and fluently. These are very common mistakes or, issues or reasons which, common people know but they do not focus it intentionally. Although I get a lot of comments, through my subscribers and viewers, they simply write that, sir, I do not know how to speak in English. Please help me out. Yes, I'm here to help you out, but watch and listen this video very, very carefully till the end. You will know these 5 are the amazing, things which you know, but you do not focus. Let's get started now. Point number 1. You treat English as a subject like math, science and anything else. Although English is a subject also, but you are here to learn language, so you have to treat it as an activity. An activity says the more you practice, better you learn. It means speaking comes by speaking. So you simply treat English as maths, physics, chemistry and other subjects and all. You simply learn the concept and practice it by writing. But the psychology of English is something different because it's an activity. An activity says the more you do to me, better you learn. So please treat English as an activity, not as other subject. You can learn subjects also if you are doing PhD. Here your purpose is not to do PhD. Your purpose is to be proficient, to be an effective, at communication or speaking part. So speaking comes by speaking, although we will talk about grammar also, but you must focus to this. Reason number 2, you think English is a easy-going process and it's like a cup of tea or like the back of my hand and you can do it within 45 hours or 90 hours and blah 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 and all. You simply go join a coaching or think like by joining coaching you would be able to learn it. This is again a myth. See, I'm here not saying you that English is really a very, very difficult thing. It's very, very difficult going process and all. No, it's really easy, but you have to understand the process. Normally, it takes 6 to 7 months for a common person. If you are weak, but at least you have the knowledge about grammar, little bit, you know how to read and all, it takes 6 to 7 months to be at least till a level. It doesn't make you perfect or like, an expert of English. But yeah, of course, it takes 6 to 7 months. But if you are very, very smart at reading, you can speak a little bit, you are good at little speaking, you are good at grammar. Yeah, 3 to 4 months enough for you. But for a common person, it takes 6 to 7 months and that you have to spend. Again, the second mistakes you guys do. Mistake number 3. You think and a kind of myth there in market that no need to learn grammar, no need to learn grammar, only focus to speaking, you will speak. Yes, I'm sure about it and I'm also a supporter of it that, like I said to you, that English is an activity and the more you do, better you learn. The more you do, better you learn. The more you do, better you learn. So, but you must know the concept of grammar. You must know the basic of grammar. No need to get into deep to learn grammar. No need to get into deep. You simply go and start, the basic. You must have the idea of basic grammar, basic tense, basic parts of speech and all. These are enough. Again, no need to get into deep because deep grammar, if you get, that will create a lot of problem to you while speaking. So please do not get into deep. Just know the basics of grammar. Right. Reason number 4. Point number 4. What you do is that you do not follow the proper, the funda of learning English. Like I have been saying you and you know about it. A lot of experts would have told you that you should focus LSRW, listening, speaking, reading and writing. What you do is, like I said, you treat English as a subject, like you focus to maths, like you focus like maths, and this is why you are not able to learn it. You treat it as an activity and focus to L stands for listening. You are listening this video right now. This helps you to improve your listening. When you listen, you learn a lot of words. These words help you to build your vocabulary. You're getting this? Right. So listen a lot. Listen. To be a good speaker, you have to be first a good listener. And that you must have to do, my dear friends. Listening, speaking, right? Reading, read a lot. Like I have said you in most of the videos, find a book And the most easy book is the Champak in English that can help you to build your basic of English, learn words and remove your hesitation. And listen, speaking, reading and writing. I mean grammar comes in writing. So these things properly, I have made a lot of videos. Links are given in the description and you can find on My Career Doctor YouTube channel through playlist. Then you please go and watch all these videos, will help you really a lot. Reason number 5, which is the most important, and this is why you are not able to speak in English, that until you take initiative, we do everything, but when it comes to speak in public or to talk a person, we say, no, I can't do this. This is not cup of tea for me, and I feel shy. I feel shy. I can't go and speak and take initiative. I can't go to that girl to talk in English. Yeah, I can go to do bakwas, but I cannot go to talk to that girl in English that will help me and that girl to improve, our English. I cannot take initiative to talk to my friend in English, and until you speak in English, you cannot speak in English, because speaking comes by speaking. So point number 5 is the most important thing. Until you take initiative, you cannot learn how to speak in English. Either you speak right or wrong. Like the day 1 you started riding bicycle, you were having no idea about riding bicycle, but you learn it, you did it. The same way you have to speak in English, by finding a partner, not to strangers, because they'll make fun of you. Just find a partner and talk to them in English. That would be the amazing and outstanding idea, can help you to change everything. So unless you start speaking, you cannot speak in English. Please find a partner and speak with that partner in English. You can, select favorite places of your city. There you go, both of you, and let's just lay it in and speak in English. That will help you outstanding. So my dear friends, today I have told you 5 reasons. These are, so my dear friends, today I have told you 5 reasons. These are really very amazing and outstanding. These small things don't let you to speak in English, and I'm damn sure now you will focus to these things, and these things help you to speak in English. Thank you very much for watching My Career Doctor, and I hope you will focus to these things if you want to be a good English speaker. Thank you very much for watching. Stay happy and be the best. Jai Hind.